What the? Kanade, why are you snoring? Oh my god, you snore so loud, you idiot! Please, guys, don't wake Kanade up. Oh my god, what's going on? Why is Kanade freaking asleep? What's going on? I do not know what's happening right now. You're waking Kanade up. What's wrong with you? Well, she shouldn't snore so loud. It's going freaking annoying. Please just let her sleep. Please shut up. You'll wake her up. Please don't do it too loud. You're just going to wake her up right now. Kanade is just snoring so loud. Please just let her calm down. She's snoring way too loud, way too loud. Please let her learn and snore. How about you just get her off the stage? That way we'll not bother you. What are you talking about? We're on the background, on the stage. Please just take Kanade out. That way she won't snore so loud. And she'll not bother you. You know how annoying it is. I know, I feel your pain. I feel it before. I don't know what's going on. Well, she just shut up. Yeah, please just let Kanade sleep. She won't do any harm. I know she's way too loud, way too loud. Mizuki, shut up, she's snoring way too loud. Please just take her out. How about you just get her so that she won't snore so loud. You'd say, why would you do that? You know, she's just snoring and just sleeping. What is wrong with you? Why are you doing this? Let her sleep, she won't kill you. It's okay! What?